everyone. I hope you are all fine. Friends, we live in a world with various creatures. Birds are one of them. Today, I, Sidhi Shreyash from St. Arnold School, Bhubaneswar of Standard 3B, will say a few facts on birds. Birds are so different from us. Let us know about their body parts. Birds have a head and 2 eyes and neck. They have a sharp beak and 2 wings to fly. They have 3 types of feathers. This body feather, down feather, flying feather. They have 2 feet and claws and a long tail. Let us know about their beaks. Short, sharp and hard beak. Pigeon and sparrow have this type of beak. This type of beak helps them to crack and crush the nuts and seeds. Broad and flat beak. Duck and swan have broad and flat beak. This type of beak have 2 holes in their bottom. These holes help them to find water, insects inside the water. Strong and chisel-shaped beak. Birds like woodpecker and flicker have this type of beak. This type of beak helps them to poke holes inside the tree trunk. Long and pointed beak. Sunbird and hummingbird have this type of beak. This type of beak helps them to suck nectar from the flower. Curved beak. This type of beak helps them to crack the nuts. Curved and hooked beak. This type of beak helps them to tear the flesh. Spoon type of beak. Royal spoonbill and roseate spoonbill have this type of beak. This type of beak helps them to eat water tadpoles. And remember, birds don't have teeth. And do not take a bird inside a cage. Thank you for watching.